Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best GoPro Hero 11 case is probably one of the most important accessories you can buy for your action camera, offering essential protection against bumps, scratches, and water damage while ensuring that your footage remains crystal clear and stable, no matter how extreme your adventures get. In this video, we will explore the top cases available, helping you choose the perfect one to safeguard your investment and enhance your filming experience. Number 5. FitStill GoPro Case. This case is perfectly designed to fit your GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11, 12, or 13 Black. It's a perfect match for underwater adventures. Please note, this waterproof case is not compatible with GoPro Hero 11 Mini or GoPro Hero 4K. Make sure to double-check your camera model. Capture stunning underwater footage with this waterproof case. It's designed to protect your camera up to 196 feet, 60 meters, deep. The large, flat glass lens ensures maximum image sharpness, both above and below the water's surface. Your videos will look amazing. Made from excellent PMMA material, it's built to withstand the rigors of diving, surfing, snorkeling, and other water sports. It's tough and dependable. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 30-day money-back guarantee and a lifetime warranty. Plus, our friendly customer service is available 24/7. What we like. It boasts amazing waterproof capabilities and a crystal-clear lens for capturing stunning underwater footage. If you're an underwater enthusiast who needs reliable protection and superior image quality, this is the case for you. With a lifetime warranty, you're covered for years of adventures. What people say. The quality is top-notch, and it works flawlessly. No fogging, absolutely leak-proof, and it fits my GoPro Hero 9 Black camera perfectly. It perfectly protected my GoPro 13 from the salty sea water while still allowing me to take crystal-clear pictures and videos underwater. Took several dives to 114 to 120 feet and it never failed. Number 4. GoPro Hero 13 Protective Housing. This housing is a must-have for your GoPro. It's designed to protect your camera from the elements, so you can capture stunning footage no matter the conditions. Keep it safe from mud, dirt, and debris during your adventures. It's the ultimate shield for your action camera. It's waterproof up to 196 feet, perfect for capturing breathtaking underwater shots. You'll see every detail with amazing clarity. The front LCD screen remains accessible for easy viewing, and the skeleton backdoor enhances audio quality while providing easy access to the touchscreen. A flat glass lens ensures sharp, high-quality images, both above and below the water. Capture every moment in stunning detail. With this protective housing, you can take your GoPro to the depths and capture incredible moments. Get yours today. What we like. As an official GoPro accessory, it's designed to seamlessly integrate with your camera. The accessible screen and improved audio features make it incredibly user-friendly. If you prioritize ease of use and official quality assurance, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Excellent material, fits also the new GoPro 13 Black. I dive with it 20m and it is still alive. I used the case from a recent snorkeling trip as expected, no water leaks and held up really well against any knocks or bangs while swimming around. I took 2 GoPro cameras to Malaysia on vacation with my family. One was primarily used without the dive case for swimming and snorkeling. I used a GoPro Hero 11 with the dive housing for several scuba dives over multiple days. I had no issues with condensation, video quality, or anything else. Worked just as I expected and made sure that there was no damage to the camera over repeated saltwater dives. Number 3. Gurmoir GoPro Metal Case. It's made from durable aluminum alloy, ensuring long-lasting protection for your GoPro. The CNC machining makes it incredibly strong and lightweight. This case comes with a 52mm UV filter to enhance your footage. You can also easily attach other 52mm filters. The secure metal back door keeps your GoPro safe and sound, even during intense activities. No more worries about accidental drops. With multiple mounting points and a bottom screw adapter, it's easy to attach it to various accessories like tripods and mounts. Capture shots from any angle. The integrated top and side cold shoe mounts let you add microphones and lights without extra adapters. It simplifies your setup and makes shooting a breeze. The side opening design allows quick access to the battery and USB HDMI ports. Change batteries or connect cables without removing it from the case. The bottom hollow design promotes airflow, preventing your GoPro from overheating during extended use. It keeps your camera running smoothly. What we like. This case is built to last with its durable aluminum alloy construction and offers versatile mounting options. The cold shoe mounts allow for easy expansion with accessories. If you need a rugged, adaptable case for professional use, this is the one for you. What people say. Added a picture of what I've built off this enclosure. GoPro Hero 9 with power bank instead of battery, to remove some heat and a wide-angle add-on lens. With adjustable bike mount bracket. Love this because pretty much anything 52mm threaded fits over the lens. This will go on my electric scooter. The enclosure is very heavy-duty, so I am sure it will provide all the protection I need. Everything is easily accessible, the power buttons and battery door. So you don't need to take anything apart to use your camera. Best yet, it comes with a lens cover. That is awesome. The other big reason I got this is because it comes with a 1/4 mount hole on the bottom, so easy to mount where you want. There are also cold shoe mounts for lights or mics. Very versatile. It fits the Hero 12 well. It provides protection against drops and falls. We use this in conjunction with fence mount to record softball and tennis games. It helps protect the GoPro would it ever fall from the fence. Number 2. TELESIN GoPro Case. This case is designed to protect your GoPro. It's compact and easy to use, perfect for keeping your camera safe. It works with GoPro models 12, 11, 10, and 9, as well as Insta360 Ace Pro. This means it's a versatile option for many action cameras. Its small size makes it ideal for travel. You can easily slip it into a bag or pocket without taking up much space. It provides excellent protection against bumps, scratches, and minor impacts. Keep your valuable camera safe from the elements. Simply slide your camera in and out. It's quick and easy to access your camera when you need it. This case is made with high-quality materials. You can trust it to keep your camera safe and secure. What we like. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, making it ideal for those who want minimal bulk without sacrificing protection. If you value portability and a slim profile, this case is perfect for you. What people say. It is made of good quality material. It fits perfectly with my GoPro. It is sturdy, with a soft protective inside lining and a good zipper. This case always stays on the GoPro for travel, when it's in my backpack or pocket. A little insurance to keep the lens and screens free of accidental scratches. Number 1. TELESIN GoPro Hero Case. Capture stunning underwater footage with this robust and reliable case. It's designed to protect your GoPro from the elements, ensuring your adventures are always recorded in crystal clear detail. This case is specifically designed for your GoPro, providing a snug and secure fit. It seals tightly to keep water out, even at significant depths. Dive deep and explore the underwater world without worry. It's waterproof to an impressive 60 meters, letting you capture incredible footage from the depths. The ultra-thick tempered glass lens ensures crystal clear images and videos. High light transmittance means your footage will be vibrant and true to life. Made from high-quality PMMA plastic, it's tough enough to withstand impacts, drops, and scratches. Keep your camera safe from damage. Easily attach it to other accessories like tripods or mounts. The quick-release buckle makes setup and removal a breeze. What we like. This waterproof case offers excellent protection and high light transmittance for clear underwater shots. The quick-release buckle makes mounting and dismounting a breeze. If you need a waterproof case that's easy to use and provides crystal clear images, this is a great option. What people say. The case is highly waterproof and provided excellent protection for my GoPro throughout the entire trip. I didn't have to worry about any damage, even in wet conditions. The camera does not wiggle at all inside, buttons work perfectly. Also awesome quality, the camera records perfectly through the plastic. The mount will provide protection from bugs, stones, debris when mounted to the exterior of the truck. All the holes in the rear cover simply act as air ventilation to prevent overheating when used for extended duration. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.